you can now get stuff on the top shelf with this. What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter Von Panda here. I just picked this up. Looks pretty small. It's not a survival rifle. It is a grabber for us that are height challenged. So cabinets can sometimes go all the way up to the top of the ceiling. It can be hard to get stuff out of there. Maybe you're trying to get the toilet paper on the top shelf. Maybe you're trying to get a glass down. Maybe you're trying to get the smoke detector off your ceiling. For me, it's actually getting my security cameras off the side of my house. So we will try out a bunch of that, but I wanted to pick this up because when you are trying to reach stuff that's really high, you have a couple choices. Slide over a chair, that's not necessarily super convenient. Get one of those little stools, but then you have to store it someplace. This is something that's not going to mar up your floor. It's not going to take up a lot of space when you're storing it, and it can be useful for a lot of things. Now, I want to show you here that this is actually one of the cheapest ones I could find, and it's got a grip on this side, and you can see we have finger grooves right here, and so you'll use your entire hand, so you won't have to worry about just two fingers gripping something. You can use your entire hand to grip right here, and we have a little bit of a grippy, it's not a real grippy rubber backing here, but this is like a softer rubber right there, so you should be able to get a nice purchase on this. This is all harder plastic right there. But then we have this aluminum tube. You can see this little channel on the top, and what that does is it fits these little channels on this other aluminum arm. Each of these aluminum pieces is probably about a foot. I would say this aluminum portion right here is about 2 feet once you get it assembled. But with the additional 4 inches on this end, and then obviously this grabbing piece right up here, which is another 7 or 8 inches, you do have maybe about 30 inches or so of actual grabbing, reaching area. Now, the way this works is that you have a cable right in there. It might be a little hard to see, but it's just a metal cable. And so when I pull on the trigger right there, what you can see is these little arms start going crazy. But what we get is a pretty big U-clamp right up here, and then these pieces right here are again a softer rubber. They have these little nibs on there to help with traction. It's not, again, the softest rubber. It's not like a pad that you would put on your dashboard to hold your cell phone. It's more of like the rubber feet on the bottom of a laptop or something like that. So I think they're actually probably silicone. You actually have some of that same material going all the way down here. So if you're grabbing a glass or something of that nature that's going to be in the middle here, you would have little grippy texture holding on to it all the way around. Of course, you can pick up some very small stuff by using the edges, the fingers right there. You don't have to maintain pressure right here, but I want to go and see what we can pick up with this and see if I can get my cameras off the side of my house for recharging without having to get a ladder out. So top cabinets can always be a problem. Obviously, with the camera at eye level, you can see how high that is, but it's probably only about a foot out of my way. But look at that, I can grab that no problem, even though it's grabbing it on the inside of the arm there. I don't have the greatest purchase on it, but it's kind of swiveling around, but it's completely secure. Pretty cool. Let's try it on what I'm really concerned about, getting my cameras off. Okay, so I'm out here in the snow because I have a camera mounted on the side of my house here. Try to walk through the thin stuff. And the problem with this is twofold. One, it's not easy to get a ladder out here to get my camera off. So that's why I would like to avoid having to carry anything through the snow when I need to. The second problem is that the camera is attached to the mount there with a magnet. So you actually have to put a decent amount of force on it. Now, one, is it long enough to get up there? Yeah, no problem. I can certainly grab it. But then two, am I going to be able to muscle it off the magnet? Oh yeah, got it off the magnet, and I'm squeezing it pretty tightly because it's not quite in the position that I would feel most secure with it. But man, that makes it that much easier to get it off and then get it back on there. And once it's back on, I can adjust it with these little clampers too. So these things are pretty useful. It's going to save me a lot of time. This one was the cheapest one I could find too, at only 11 bucks. I think it's a steal. So if you want to pick it up, I'll put a link to it in the description below. Peter Von Panda, out.